Open educational resources include teaching, learning, and research resources that reside in the public domain or have been released under an intellectual property license that permits their use or repurposing by others. Open educational resources include many types, ranging from courses to worksheets. National initiatives are increasing awareness of and access to them. The Shared Learning Collaborative and the Learning Registry are providing open source technologies that increase access to open educational resources.
Illinois Pathways, funded through Race to the Top, is a new and innovative state of Illinois-led STEM education initiative designed to support college and career readiness for all students. This is a perfect example of where expanding Shared Learning Collaborative and Learning Registry technologies would benefit secondary and post-secondary career and technical education and workforce development programs.
Illinois Pathways provides recommended course sequences within career clusters identified as key to growing a college and career-ready workforce.
The Oer Commons provides a great example for informing a Learning Registry open education resource search via the Illinois Pathways website. The Oer Commons website contributes to the Learning Registry. The more contributors, the more everyone benefits. Users can browse subject areas and narrow their search by grade level, material type, media format, conditions of use, and content source. They can see resource descriptions, ratings, standards alignment, and go directly to the resource to use it.
The site offers anyone access to search and use open educational resources. Anyone can set up an account to contribute, folder, tag, align, or evaluate them. The site offers anyone access to search and use open educational resources. Resource details include the author, subject, source, collection reference, grade level, and abstract, course type, language, material type, and media format. A link is provided to go directly to each online resource. The conditions of use for each resource are clearly seen, and anyone can save a direct link to resources, rate and review them, align them to the Common Core standards, share them using social media, see tags and add more tags, and comment about the usage of the resource.
Oer Commons also identifies the conditions of use for each resource. Although open education resources are publicly available, the creator may have some use restrictions.
Websites like Oer Commons and the Learning Registry use Creative Commons licenses. These licenses help creators retain copyright while allowing others to freely copy, distribute, and make some uses of their work.
Several licensing options are offered that provide the legal code, that are understandable to creators and users, and that are machine-readable when posted to web pages.
This example shows a concept for a publicly accessible search for open educational resources on the Illinois Pathways website. With this concept, the user would use keyword searches and narrowing options to find and use resources for career and technical education and workforce development programs. The resources would be tagged and available through the Learning Registry. Users could also contribute and tag resources and align them to academic, employability, and technical learning standards.
Apps and guides for CTE and workforce development programs could be made available and tagged as OER found through the search. All of the contributions can benefit anyone in Illinois and nationally.
Currently, for each career cluster within the Illinois Pathways, the website shows related pathways and courses from orientation level through post-secondary. Using the Learning Registry and shared learning collaborative technologies, this information can be expanded to make resources and learning opportunities more transparent.
The SLC application tools and Learning Registry are providing opportunities to further improve CTE and workforce development programs. Educators, students, and parents can actively be involved in their learning experience by easily accessing and using tools to achieve their educational goals. However, to fully realize the benefits, employability and technical standards need to be open and set up to allow for consistent tagging, and open education resources need to be identified and aligned to these standards. Thank you for watching. To learn more, watch the other videos in this series.